Welcome back to Cars Jade Channel. Today we delve into the essence of automotive excellence with the 2026 BMW Z4. The BMW Z4 has long been celebrated for its dynamic performance, timeless design, and luxury features. As we move into 2026, BMW has introduced an exciting update to this iconic roadster, blending cutting-edge technology with the spirit of open-top driving. The 2026 BMW Z4 continues to embody the essence of driving pleasure. With its sleek design, agile handling, and advanced technology, the Z4 is a roadster that captivates enthusiasts and casual drivers alike. From its striking exterior to its driver-centric interior, the Z4 is designed for those who crave an exhilarating yet refined driving experience. The 2026 Z4 brings several updates and enhancements, making it more compelling than ever. Enhanced design tweaks. The front fascia now features a reimagined kidney grille and sharper LED headlights for a sportier aesthetic. Updated technology. The iDrive 9 infotainment system debuts in the Z4, offering an intuitive and seamless user experience. Performance improvements. The 2026 model introduces a mild hybrid system for improved fuel efficiency without sacrificing power. New paint and trim options. A range of exclusive colors and materials adds a personalized touch to this iconic roadster. The cabin of the 2026 BMW Z4 is a masterpiece of luxury and ergonomics. Driver-centric design. The cockpit is designed to keep the driver engaged, with easy access to controls and a sporty seating position. Premium materials. Leather upholstery, soft-touch surfaces, and customizable ambient lighting enhance the premium feel. Advanced technology. A 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster displays key driving information. The new iDrive 9 system with a larger touchscreen supports wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and voice commands. Enhanced connectivity options, including 5G integration and over-the-air updates. Comfort features, heated and ventilated seats, dual-zone climate control, and a wind deflector ensure a comfortable ride in any weather. The 2026 BMW Z4 offers an exhilarating performance lineup, catering to different driving preferences. Base engine. A turbocharged 2.0-liter inline-4 delivering 255 horsepower and 295 lb-ft of torque. Performance upgrade. The M40i variant boasts a turbocharged 3.0-liter inline-6, generating 382 horsepower and 369 lb-ft of torque. Mild hybrid system. Both engine options now come with a 48-volt mild hybrid system for improved efficiency and smoother power delivery. Transmission and drivetrain. A standard 8-speed automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive provide a thrilling and responsive driving experience. The price of the 2026 BMW Z4 starts at $55,225 and goes up to $71,125 depending on the trim and options. Thanks for joining us on this journey. Until next time, drive safe and stay adventurous.